Here we go, boys. I want to bring it to me and then get it out. And then... Move. Move. No. Tommy fell in the pool. No. Oh, stop. Stop. Please. No. Hey. What? Yeah, he's falling in the pool. He can't stop falling in. And here's the battery, guys. You pull the battery out just like that. Battery's done. Hook up right here. Inside the boat. Back, the motor's... And then you got... This is the plug for the battery. I mean, thing. Another one's in the wall, so... I'm not going to cover it up. I want it to dry out a little bit. And that's the boat, guys. Hope you enjoyed the boat. And... That's it. And here's the one charger with the USB thing it comes with right there. Another charger. So that was charging up. Full charge. And I'll see you later, guys. Peace out. Peace out, ride.